Hey guys, it's me and Clay here again. We're going to do another little YouTube video, try to get back in the swing of it. We're doing things a little bit in reverse this time. I am holding the camera.
Hi.
And Clay is going to show you, since he is our local Android user, how to pair up your Entune 3.0 unit to an Android phone.
Alright, so we are going to walk through how to do it on the screen, and I'm actually going to screen share my phone so you can see what's going on here. I have a Galaxy S9 Plus, which is one of the latest versions of Android, so it should be compatible with anything that's fairly new. So let me turn on my screen recorder and start recording. Okay, now from the screen itself, if no phones are connected to it, you can actually hit the phone button, and it asks you, no Bluetooth devices registered. Do you want to add one now? Yes, that's what we're going to do. And now it's already looking for my phone. So I'm going to make sure that my Bluetooth is on, and it is. I'm in my Bluetooth setup. The phone recognizes my name. I'm going to click my name here. And now my phone is going to look for it. Here it is. And that's about as hard as that got. The 3.0 system is really, really easy to use. I'm going to tell it to allow contacts, allow messaging to make sure everything works properly. And that's it. That's about as hard as that got. That is how you connect an Android device as quickly as possible to the Entune 3.0 or audio multimedia head unit.
Nice. So I think we did an okay job spotting spots.
I think so.
Okay, so if you guys want to see anything else, just make sure to let us know.